Hi, Mac, German Japanese car, 15020 Oxnard Street, Sherman Oaks, California, 91411. Call or text 310-804-4185. Meet or beat any eBay price, exact same item which should this video. 2009 Volkswagen Jetta, complete steering column with key. You get the ignition lock, you get the turn signals, you get the windshield wipers, you get the clock spring. Complete steering column, $100, $100. Complete steering column with all attachments, including the key and the turn signals and the clock spring and the computers. I think that's a steering angle sensor down there. Complete steering column with all attachments. $100. I take credit cards and ship. I do installation and repair. Check me out at maxgermancar.com or my YouTube channel, the Max Brakeman channel. Meet or beat any eBay price, exact same item machine. Post this video. 2009 Volkswagen Jetta, complete steering column with ignition lock, turn signal, windshield wiper, steering angle sensor, clock spring. $100. 310-804-4185. Call or text 310-804-4185. Thank you.